Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Okta in Integromat-style Make scenarios, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Okta in Integromat-style Make scenarios, start by logging into your Okta developer account. Navigate to the admin dashboard. Select the Applications tab from the menu. Click on the Add Application button. Choose the appropriate platform for your integration, usually web or service. Fill in the application details, such as the application name and logo. Select the appropriate sign-on method. After creating the application, go to the General Settings. Locate the client ID and client secret. Keep this information handy, as you will need it later. Next, switch to the Security tab for the application. Configure the allowed redirect URIs and logout URIs. These URIs are crucial for successful authentication. Now, log into your Integromat or Make account. Create a new scenario by clicking on Create New Scenario. Add the HTTP module to your scenario. Set the method to post for token retrieval. In the URL field, enter your Okta domain followed by /auth2/default/v1/token. In the headers section, include content type with a value of. These should include client_ID, client_secret, grant_type, and the scope. For grant_type, once all parameters are set, test the module to ensure it retrieves an access token. On successful retrieval, store the access token for future API calls. Next, add additional HTTP modules for other endpoints you wish to access with Okta authentication. For each API call, ensure you include the access token in the authorization header as bearer, access_token. Configure any additional parameters required for the specific API you are working with. Test each HTTP module to ensure successful connections with your desired Okta-protected resources. Once all scenarios are working correctly, finalize and save your workflow. Your Okta authentication within Integromat-style Make scenarios should now be fully functional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.